Hello, welcome. Thanks for joining me. Very short video today. Any excuse for a photo shoot. I drilled a couple of holes in the seat, went back in the garage, found a couple of suitable pieces of alloy to use as brackets, and drilled another couple of holes. So I think that's the seat mounted. I'll live with it a while and see how I like it. Conversely, it positions the tank. I want it clear of the headstock and not touching the seat. Problems with the forks at present are that they don't have stops on, so the bars come round and touch the tank. So I will have to sort that out at some point. But anyway, it gave me the opportunity to move the bike and take some more photos and video. Thanks for joining me. Join me again soon.